Your skills are dying faster than you think. Reports now warn that half of all skills we rely on today will be completely outdated in just 2 years because of artificial intelligence. Let that sink in. Do you think the jobs we once thought were safe? Artificial intelligence is coming for them faster than anyone predicted. So the big question is, will you be left behind or will you adapt before it's too late? Stay with me as we break down the shocking truth about artificial intelligence's impact on the job market and, most importantly, what you must do right now to future-proof your career. Artificial intelligence is upgrading fast, so should you. Like this video to keep your skills from going extinct, subscribe to stay ahead of the robots, and hit the bell so you don't get left behind. And hey, share this with a friend, because surviving the artificial intelligence takeover is more fun together. The rise of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It's a reality that's already transforming industries. From self-driving cars to smart assistants and even artificial intelligence-generated content, the role of machines is rapidly expanding. But with this growth comes a significant shift. Jobs, tasks, and even entire skill sets are being redefined. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the way we work will change drastically. It's not just about robots taking over the factory floor. Artificial intelligence is infiltrating everything from finance to healthcare to content creation, reshaping the skills needed in every industry. According to reports, the pace at which artificial intelligence is advancing means that many of the skills we have today may no longer be relevant tomorrow. Artificial intelligence is expected to replace or automate more than half of all human jobs within the next decade. This disruption will be felt in ways we can't fully predict yet, but it's clear that there's no stopping it. Which skills are being phased out? So, which skills are at risk of becoming obsolete? Let's break it down. First, repetitive and manual tasks are at the top of the list. Jobs in data entry, telemarketing, and assembly line work are among the most vulnerable. These tasks can easily be handled by artificial intelligence algorithms, which can work faster, more accurately, and without rest. Even white-collar skills are being affected. For instance, jobs in basic data analysis, bookkeeping, and even legal research are being automated by artificial intelligence-powered software. Algorithms can process huge amounts of data in seconds, making traditional roles in these fields less relevant. While automation can increase efficiency, it also poses the risk of displacing workers who specialize in these tasks. However, it's not just about jobs disappearing. It's about the skills required for these jobs becoming redundant. How does artificial intelligence impact different industries? Artificial intelligence's impact is felt across various industries, each in different ways. In healthcare, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing diagnostics. Algorithms can analyze medical images, detect diseases, and predict patient outcomes faster and more accurately than human doctors. While this doesn't mean doctors are being replaced, it does change the nature of their work. Now, doctors are focusing more on interpreting artificial intelligence results and providing personalized patient care, rather than performing tasks like reading medical scans. In finance, artificial intelligence is transforming how stock markets are analyzed and how risks are assessed. Trading algorithms can perform complex analysis and execute trades at lightning speeds, rendering many traditional roles in financial analysis obsolete. In fact, many of these tasks are now being handled by artificial intelligence tools that not only manage portfolios, but also detect fraud, manage risks, and even forecast trends. Artificial intelligence is also making its way into creative fields. Content creation, marketing, and even design are now artificial intelligence-seeded or completely automated by artificial intelligence tools. Whether it's artificial intelligence-generated graphics, music, or writing, machines are beginning to produce work that was traditionally done by humans. How artificial intelligence changes the skill set needed for the future. While artificial intelligence may make some skills obsolete, it's also creating a demand for new ones. The future of work isn't about avoiding artificial intelligence, but learning how to work with it. In the years ahead, there will be a growing demand for skills in artificial intelligence development, machine learning, and data science. Understanding how to develop artificial intelligence and implement artificial intelligence systems will be crucial for anyone looking to stay relevant in the workforce. Other skills that will thrive in the artificial intelligence-driven world include problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence. These are human-centered skills that machines cannot replicate. Jobs that require complex decision-making, critical thinking, and interpersonal communication will continue to be essential. The ability to work alongside artificial intelligence, to manage artificial intelligence systems, and to use them as tools in our artificial intelligence tasks will be one of the most valuable skills to have. Jobs that integrate human creativity with artificial intelligence capabilities are expected to rise, such as artificial intelligence, artificial intelligencers, data analysts, and human artificial intelligence collaboration experts. Adapting to the artificial intelligence revolution, what can you do? Now let's talk about what you can do to stay ahead. The key to surviving in this artificial intelligence-driven world is adaptability. The future belongs to those who can evolve. Start by identifying the skills you currently have and consider how they may intersect with artificial intelligence. How can you pivot to positions where artificial intelligence complements your work rather than replacing it? One of the best ways to prepare is through continuous learning. There are many online courses, boot camps, and resources of artificial intelligence for anyone looking to learn new skills in artificial intelligence, data science, or programming. Machine learning, deep learning, and even languages like Python or R are becoming essential to many industries. The more you learn, the more adaptable you'll be in the face of change. It's also important to focus on soft skills like leadership, communication, and collaboration. These are skills that artificial intelligence can't replicate. As technology continues to evolve, human-centered skills will become even more important. No matter how much artificial intelligence progresses, humans will always be needed for high-level decision-making, emotional intelligence, and creative thinking. The future of work, embracing the change. The future of work will be different, but it doesn't have to be frightening. Artificial intelligence isn't something to fear. It's something we can use to our advantage. Think of it as a powerful tool that, when used properly, can help us accomplish tasks faster, more efficiently, and with greater precision. Instead of resisting change, we must embrace it. The future workforce will include both humans and machines working together. Those who can master the art of collaborating with artificial intelligence will be the ones who succeed. As automation takes over mundane tasks, humans can focus on more meaningful, strategic, and creative work. The importance of lifelong learning. As artificial intelligence continues to reshape industries, the concept of lifelong learning has never been more important. The days of having a single skill set for a lifetime are over. With rapid technological advancements, staying relevant in today's workforce means continuously upgrading your knowledge and skills. Lifelong learning is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, workshops, or self-driven learning, staying curious and adaptable is crucial. In fact, the ability to quickly learn and unlearn will be one of the most valuable artificial intelligence sets in the future workforce. To sum it up, the rise of artificial intelligence is making many of our current skills obsolete, but it's also opening up new opportunities for those who are ready to evolve. The key takeaway here is to be proactive. Don't artificial intelligence seek for artificial intelligence to take your job. Start upskilling today and embrace the future with open arms. Are you ready for the artificial intelligence revolution? Let us know in the comments below how you plan to adapt to the rise of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology.